You said, when can I prune so I don't kill the plants, and just to keep it simple, I wouldn't prune when it's very cold or when it's about to be very cold. People will say to you, the best time is, and it's true, there is a best time. It's usually in late winter, early spring for most plants. You want to hold off on things that have buds on them so that you don't miss the bloom, but you can still prune them. I'm pruning in July, August, September, October. I almost would say go here, down here at the beginning. Maybe do something even more drastic. It's so unhappy. Look at this, right? Someone cut all this, and then look at this new growth. So you could actually have this be your new shrub, and you could go all the way down, or you could do something experimental. Do this, and just see what happens. In your interest, I would just say wait, because there's buds on here. But if now's the moment, go for it. Okay.